What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to master AI influencer with TikTok Shop. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alex, and I've been doing TikTok since 2023. I started off as a side hustle, but when I was making good money, I went all in. I made it a full time. I put it all time right here. I made almost $15,000 just in 3 months off this account right here. And the thing that I'm seeing success right now, when it's hitting the market and it's not saturated, it's TikTok Shop AI. I ran multiple accounts on TikTok, created rewards, and TikTok Shop. I've seen so much success doing TikTok Shop AI that I had to quit this thing that I'm doing right now, the creator rewards, the posting and all that, and I went all in with AI influencers, and I made 16K in literally 1 month just off that. I want to be one of the first creators to walk you through it, show you everything. All these girls are going to also talk about it in 2 to 3 months. Are going to flood the market with it. Everybody's going to hear about it, and it's going to get saturated. I'm going to be showing you the whole guide in today's video, so stick till the end to see the real value of my video. Other than that, I'm going to get straight to the point. Let's jump into this. I wasn't really a professional with TikTok Shop when I started, right? And I was really good at marketing with TikTok AI because I already done content before, like normal niches. Like I always rage bait them in the videos with AI. I always do everything to get people's attention, even though I'm not even selling a product. Even if it's a normal video, I'm good at getting people's attention because I learned this through posting so much TikTok since 2023, and I've literally mastered this right here. So when it comes to marketing, especially if it's not me, if I'm using AI, it's super easy for me to just go do the script with Cloud AI, change it up in my own style, and just go straight in and just rage bait people and just get them to comment more, get pushed out more, and for them to also buy the product. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to double your income with TikTok Shop. I'm going to be showing you how to get people to buy from your TikTok Shop. I'm going to be showing you how to market with TikTok Shop using AI and how to make the AI model and how to also turn it into video. So my exact form is step by step. You don't need any product in hand. We use AI for free marketing, and we automate each post with AI models. As you can see right here, I made $17,000 in the last month, and I've sold almost about 2,000 products. So how to get people to buy off you? Offer value, right? With the product, explain what it does and why they should need it, and the change it would have on them. Okay? So what I mean right here is the product that you're selling, it can't be some toys, or it can't be like a water bottle, or it can't be something lame. You know what I mean? You have to have a product that offers value to people, because when people spend money, they want to have something satisfaction in that return. They want something that really benefits them. If it's like someone is having like some wrong with their hair, then you could do a AI video promoting a product about hairstyle or something that's like a solution. You know what I mean? You probably heard this a lot, but you're gonna have to do this with TikTok Shop also. You have to offer solution to people, value, and also be good at marketing them. So this leads to the next step. Your main target is scarcity. This can work with low supply, like only 30 products left by now, or limited flash. Example, if it's the product for $100, right now it's for only 65 bucks. You see what I'm trying to say right here? If you have all these three together and you keep milking the product and having good posts every time and get better at this, guaranteed with the first week, second week, you're gonna get sales automatically. So my niche that I've been seeing success in is women's product, and I literally targeted these things. 51 stock, flash sale. I also earned $11 for each sale right here, as you can see. 63%, off. I always look at these. Like, these really matter when you're trying to pick out a product, or people tell you, oh, this is a winning product. The only reason it's a winning product because it worked for them. They got in at the perfect time. They used the scarcityness, and they used the flash sales and all that. That could be a winning product. But the product, like I told you guys, has to be solution. It has to be too good to be true. And people are gonna be like, wow, it's too good to be true. I have to try it out. And they were always asking in the comments, did you try it out? Let me know. How is it good? As you can see right here, this product is on 63% off, and you get this whole entire pack. Like, that's a crazy deal. And you could also go crazy with this, but I recommend you guys to find a niche that works for you, and you can also market, and don't get tired of making scripts and videos and etc. So do what works for you. Don't copy me. I'm just showing you my guide and my blueprint and how I did it. Also, when you're making good quality content for TikTok Shop, they will send you this email out, or this little monetization notification. You authorize TikTok to promote your videos. Your videos may get more exposure for free. If you want to cancel, email us or whatever. So my videos right now, as long as I keep posting TikTok Shop high quality videos, they're gonna keep getting free exposure, because TikTok is trying to beat eBay, Amazon, Facebook Market, like all these markets online. They're trying to become better, and they're trying to be like normalized. Oh, I bought this off TikTok Shop, or I did this. So right now they're pushing creators' videos, promoting them for free, man. It's free exposure. Like, You just need to do good videos with good products and you can earn money. This is not hard. If you have a brain, hands, and have effort and working, you will literally run it up. Okay, so how I made the AI model is I went to Gemini. I cooked up a good script. I didn't like the first photo, so I went to Pinterest and got a blonde woman, and I also placed it with the good script, and I told him to make a change to it, you know what I mean? Similar face, etc. and etc. He made me this right here, and I kept adding things to it, like make this model wear this thing right here. You know, she wear it, it looks too fake, so I told him to make it in the bathroom, etc. I edited. You know, you can keep changing things up right here. As you can see, like he made me some fire things. So when you make your AI model, you can literally have her like flying. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? As long as it's in your niche and it fits the things that you're doing. So for example, I'm using this product right here. It's on flash sale and a lot of people are buying it, which is causing scarcity. And also I've selected this image or, you know, this style right here for my model. And I've told AI to make my model get in the stand right here. You know, I flicked up I changed the background, I changed the way she's wearing, I changed the bag and everything to make it look stylish and stuff. And I've also, to bring this to life, is I've taken the image and I'll put it into Kling AI. Remember this, Kling AI. When I put the image in Kling AI, right, it asked me to put the video. So what I did is the first frame, let me show you guys, the first frame of this, you see how it matches my image, the AI. So I made it the first frame of the TikTok dance, right? The same first frame of my AI model. So Kling can get it perfectly. Kling AI can get the video perfectly. And this video right here, I found just a girl dancing on TikTok. You can do this easily if you're, you know, doing women's product. And I've told Kling to make my character do the TikTok dance that this person is doing. And this what it made me. So I'm going to show you guys the raw video. Okay, nobody cares. Now let me show you my AI video. It looks so realistic. Like, I think old people can't even tell anymore. This looks so realistic, and I could just keep milking and milking and milking doing this. Humans, we get tired of doing videos. We get tired of doing TikTok Shop videos. So this AI thing, it doesn't matter what niche you're into in TikTok Shop, you can beat 70% of people that are doing TikTok Shop on TikTok because they're going to keep posting like 2 videos or 3 videos every day while you can farm like 10 videos every day or like 5 videos every day and just keep milking and spamming. And your videos are, you can be high quality or you can be trash quality. It depends on you. You got to take your time with your video. You got to put in that effort. And you got to put that work in and you will see success eventually. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys found any value in today's video, join my Discord. The link will be in the description. Also, comment down below what help you guys needed within the specific topic. Again, drop a sub. It's for free. Drop a like. It's for free. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.